It's cold today. Yeah, hello, welcome back to the channel. And today, very quick video, and I mean quick video. I am going to show you what I bought for the van and what I'm going to put on the van today. Like I say, quick video, nothing too special. I bend down here and they are round, so yeah, it gives you a clue. So yes, I'm going to put these on the van. It's a set of, I've been after a set of these for a while. They come up, but they're always crazy money. Anyway, enough waffling. I'm going to just show you what I've got. So there we go. Here we have a set of Renault Clio 16 valve phase 1 turbine wheels. I got these off Facebook Marketplace. They're in really good condition. They're very dull. I do want to get them painted silver, but I quite like the black inserts. But yeah, they're not curved, they're not butchered, so they do still look quite smart. All importantly, they came with the centre caps, the original bolts, and the original key. So it's really nice to have a proper set. Been after a set of these for a while. They do fetch some good money now. But I held out and got these. They have got all matching Toyo tyres on, a bite. They are a little bit old, but they will do for now, and I'm sure 48 brake horsepower isn't going to shred them to bits anyway, but they will do for now until I eventually get them done silver and I'll put some new tyres on. But yes, I just can't wait. I want to get them on, see what it looks like. So I've just removed, oh, excuse the train, just removed one of the hubcaps. Now these are the original, as I've said in the original van when I bought the video, when I bought the van, the original video, that these are the original hubcaps that came on this edition. So I am going to keep all the wheels and hubcaps in case it ever goes back. Actually, it looks quite cool with the standard wheels without the hubcaps. But yeah, I'm going to keep all these, so don't worry, they're not going anywhere. I'm not going to bin them all off. So anyway, enough waffling and faffing, let's crack on. First time I've taken the wheels off, actually. Looking really clean in here. So it's not going to take much cleaning up and painting up when I body colour it. It's nice. Exhaust looking fresh. Obviously underneath still looking super fresh. So yes, I will finish off painting the beam when I do the arch. Put new shocks on, paint this up and do the arch. So yeah, that's in spring. I'm going to wait for a bit warmer weather. I've had enough cleaning and painting. Anyway, get the wheel on. Stop talking, Duncan. Okay, little sneak peek. And issue 1. We are catching here, so I need to have a little spacer just to bring it out. Not much. Anyway, I'm going to drop it down and see what it looks like. But yes, I am going to have to do something about that. Minor issue, it's only a spacer in it. So anyway, let's crack on. So there you go, cheeky little one fitted. Onto the next one. I must say that the arches are fantastic, even the front ones. Overspray City as everything else was when this van got here. But once, as I say, I've cleaned it all. You know, I'm going to paint all this back to body colour. I'm going to do a nice job. But yeah, I'm going to basically get all this plastic, all the arches back to black. Coilovers, obviously, so that won't matter. So once all that's done, and I'm going to paint the end of the gearbox, so and paint these bits up and just tart it all up like I've done underneath. So when it's all done, it'll be really tidy. So yeah, right, let's get this one on and then we can see a full side view. Or actually, I'll probably get them all on and then show you after. Quickly torque them to spec. Oh. Again, all nice and clean in here. I have just put the wheel on, I haven't tightened it up yet, but I have just noticed as well, you can see there, can you? Brand new brake flexes, which is nice. So that's cool. So again, I'll clean all the plastics up in here, repaint the arches so it all looks as nice in the arches as it will do underneath. And yeah, I won't have to worry about any rust. Anyway, I'm going to bang the last 2 wheels on and then show you it. Again in this arch. Solid, lovely, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, get all this cleaned off again, painted so it matches underneath like that. yeah, looking forward to getting it all done and then just use it. Just thought I'd fire it up to move it. Good old cold start on an old van, but it is looking pretty cool, isn't it? Very pleased with that. But yes, anyway, I'm going to move into a better position and show you the van. Okay, you ready? I personally think it looks mint and I can't wait to see it low, but here we go. There we go. Looking super cool. Yeah, really pleased with those. Yeah, really pleased with how it's looking. Obviously super high at the moment, but won't be when it gets some coilovers when I do the arches. But yes, very pleased with how that's looking. Let me know what you think in the comments. So like I say, just a quick video just to show the wheels. So thank you all for watching. Usual things, subscribe, do the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Not sure what the next one will be. Well, actually I do know. It was continuation of the underside of this, but yeah, let me know what you think. Cheers.